4 tong binili ko eh.
Glue
Ano
stick.
yun?
Bili kang glue stick.
Wala kayo?
Wala kang glue stick. Meron akong glue gun.
Oh, ba't mo binalik?
Kasi for the vlog. Maghahanap tayo kunwari. Ay, dito, ilagay ko sa tingin na. Ilagay ko sa tingin. Kunyari, magtingin-tingin muna tayo.
Baka mapanood niya.
Ayaw ko sumali dyan.
Bakit? Tingnan mo
Baka
sila.
mapanood din ang kaklase mo.
Magpapanood nila. Ito lang talaga? Sure na? Six na naman sila.
Ganda rin dyan.
Ano ba yung mapun dun ate? Ba yan wala kang scripted?
Hindi, wala kang ganito. Wala kang sista.
Ay, sinyaget. Sister.
Huwag na.
Oo na, may ate ako.
Kaya tanong ko nga kung may sista ka eh.
Ikaw, wala ka bang ano? Federal?
Ano?
O tara na, okay na yung narpay. Bakit naman ganyan yung tsura ko? Tinan mo.
Hindi ka bibili rugby?
The look in her eyes twinkles. Pressure is talking me a start to the needle. Like with math by mistake at McDonald's. It's such a pain in my eyes, yeah. Love and misunderstanding. Either way, I must say it outright, maybe. It's my fault for being too cunning. Some people tend to get things wrong. I don't mean to break your heart, but how do I say that you are not the one? Out of my love and you know it. So don't get your mind overloaded. I'll put an end to this madness before you even start. It's over.
You know, it's not the same as it was. Tunanan.
I devised the plan. I'm gonna plead guilty again. Like it's not you, it's me.
Tama ko na video ako.
Ito pa yung always taga-makeup ko at saka
Anytime you need me to
taga-ayos ng
make
buhok.
some things are meant to be.
The always
Just
maasahan.
wake up from your day.
Ganda-ganda ko. Thanks to you.
I don't mean to break
Tapos
your
hindi mo lang ginamit nung nag-Manila ka.
heart.
Hindi ko nga alam siya paano gawin.
Say that
Para kami tanga ni ate ko na, alam mo, ginaganon namin. Hindi talaga, te. Sabi ko, dito yung ganito.
Tapos nanood pa kami ng YouTube, alam mo yun.
Wala.
Hindi nyo din nagamit.
Oo, kasi kung alam ko gamitin yan, be, bumili ako ng ganyan.
I'll put an end to this madness before you even start. It's over, Olivia. Love belongs to someone else. This is my room.
Video nga yan eh. Ano sasabihin mo?
Okay, naman. Sige. I would like to thank my friends for helping me. They are the one who did this. Wala, ganda-ganda lang ako, tapos sila gumawa. Pakita mo yung kamay mo.
O din, may kamay.
I am Hera, the god of the goddess of marriage and wife of the I, Hera, demand respect and acknowledge my role as the protector of women.